Here I have my Argan Oil, my Jojoba Oil, the Eden Body Works Natural Pudding Souffle, my Eco Style Gel in the green container, and then the Mango and Lime Jamaican Black Castor Oil. That's the best one in my opinion. And then I have some edge control in my denim brush and bristle brush. So those are the main products that I use throughout. Here I'm just putting the curling souffle in my hair. Once I add the souffle, I will add the gel, the Eco Style gel, just massaging everything in. And then after that, I will use my denim brush right here and then make sure I get all the knots out. And once I do that a few times, I will finger detangle my hair, and I will put some Jamaican Black Castor Oil like right now to seal everything in. And that's pretty much the entire process on how I'm going to be doing my hair. And every once in a while you can add some water in your hair. That's if it gets dry. Like over here, I will add water. So I'm basically doing that to the rest of my hair. Once again, I'm just spraying my hair with water, and then I'm going to add the souffle right about now. Well, maybe now if I want to. Okay, right about now, I'm gonna add the souffle. And once I add the souffle, I will add the Eco Style gel. After that, I'll just detangle my hair. See, I'm adding more gel because sometimes you gotta split them in half. So the reason why I have the front sectioned off is because I'm gonna braid those sections, only because my hair right there is shorter than everything else, so it won't look right. But you'll see at the end how my hair looks. dry, but it's 95% dry. So you can see it has a lot of bounce and movement to it. And I braided my hair in the front. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video.